Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. So today I will be doing my first impressions and also makeup tutorials of the new Natasha Denona Midi retro palette. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As always, I will be zooming my camera because I'll be doing makeup tutorials of this beautiful palette. When I saw this one, oh my god, the color story spoke to me. Oh my goodness, I really like this color story. Looks even more beautiful in person. Also the price of this one, not over $100. So this is the Midi Retro palette from Natasha Denona, $65. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this. Is so beautiful. The shades are mauve shades, brown shades, dusty pink shades, like full color full color shades, full shades, not color shades, full shades. So I'm gonna show you the inside of this palette. So this one is made in Italy with a shelf life of 24 months. So it has matte shades, metallic dual chrome shades. I really like this color story. So not something very unique. We have seen this color story before, like the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I have one from Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette, and also the Mel Cosmetics She's in Parties. I'll be comparing both palettes after my makeup tutorial. So that's enough talking. I'll be applying the shadows on my eyes. I'm gonna try to use most of the shades from the palette. So I'm gonna use my refer brush. Let me get my refer brush. So this is the refer number 16 brush, and I'll be doing like more like a lighter berry pinky eye makeup on this other side, maybe like a smoky type of berry mauve eye makeup. So I'll be taking what shade I'll be taking. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Andy. This feels like a cream to powder formula from Natasha Denona. I love her cream to powder matte shades. So I'll be using the shade Andy, which is like a dusty mauve matte shade. And this is the refer number, I think I already mentioned this one out right, 16 brush. Dipping my refer brush number 15 with the shade Amara. This one right here is a brown mauve shade, and just to add that to the eyes, this one feels nice. Actually, I don't think it's a cream to matte formula, but feels really nice, creamy, and very pigmented. Wow, I did not expect that at all. Because this Zento palette, I did not like that palette at all. I just really like the I just like only the matte shades. Metallic shades were very dull, so I'm a little bit scared right now because I hate returning makeup. To be honest, just too much hassle. This is pretty. And then I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more. I'm gonna take the shade Groove with the refer number 14 brush. Definitely a very brown shade. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Feels a little dry but not patchy. Very interesting. For my lid, I'll be using the shade Glitz. Excuse the noise outside. My side window is open. It's very hot in the house, so got no choice. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna take the shade Helio. This one right here. I'm gonna apply this one on my other half. Okay, so moving on to my, I'm gonna move on. I'll be doing contour on my left eye. So I'm gonna take Nude Mob. This one right here. This is like the lightest, no, not the lightest one. So this is a little powdery. So this is the Milani Cosmetics brush. Oh, okay. I'm going to dip my brush with the shade Apart. This is a very interesting gray brown. It's like a gray brown shade. Oh, it has the berry undertone. Very interesting. Doesn't look like same color on the pen. Like, it's very, it surprises me. So my camera was heating up, turn off by itself. So I am wearing the shade Psychedelic, this shimmery shade. This is very, very beautiful. So I'm gonna use a brush to apply or make this one a little bit more precise because it looks a little messy. This is pretty. Very pretty. Not very shimmery like Pat McGrath, but still beautiful. That is beautiful. I like this one. So this is going to be a house. I was really planning to do smoky on this side. This side I can neutral every day, but now it's backwards. So it is what it is now. So very, very nice. I really like this color. So I'm gonna go back to the shade Apart. This one again, just to add a little bit more dimension to the eyes. Yes, my camera is acting up again. So I'm going to move on with my lower lashes. What shade did I use today? I think I'm gonna go with the shade Amara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna do this very simple, makeup looks, because my camera right now is just not cooperating with me. And this is the Refer number 12 brush. I'm gonna apply the shade Jude, this metallic shade, on my inner corner. On my left side, I'll be using the shade Apart with this Refer number, I think 13 brush. Right, and then I'm gonna apply this mascara from Ilia. This is the sample size that I got for free from Sephora. I'm gonna apply this one really quickly, and then I'm gonna swatch, or I'm going to compare this one with the Nude from Huda and Melt Cosmetics. She's in Parties. On top are the shades from Huda Beauty Naughty Nude. On the bottom are the swatches from Natasha Denona Midi Retro Palette. I only found 6 shades, but not exactly similar. They are very different. They have different undertones, as you can see. Not exactly the same or even similar. Okay, guys, I only found 2 shades, not even similar. They have different undertones. I mean, the Milk Cosmetics are more warmer and darker than the shades from Natasha Denona. So these 2 shades are from My Cosmetics, she's in Parties, and these two are from Denona. So very different, not exactly same. Different undertones, darker, warmer. Show you guys swatches and comparisons. So I'm going to do my first impressions of this palette. Really love the color story, love the formulation of this one. I feel like there's only like two quinto powder formulas in here, this one and this one. I could be wrong, but because the rest of the shades felt a little dry, but still they were still very workable. The shimmer shades are also pretty, very subdued type of shimmer shades in the metallic shades. So I'm very impressed with this palette. Like, this is a really good everyday palette. If you get, I mean, if you want to use another color story, if you're getting tired of wearing brown, neutral, cotton shades, if you want to use another color story, like I said, I think you're gonna like this one because it's not too dramatic. It's like perfect for like every day. I mean, some people are not into very red shades because you guys don't feel, I mean, some people don't feel comfortable wearing very red matte shades because they're too dramatic, too red. So I think you're gonna like this one because it's a little bit more subdued, than the Naughty Nude, and also she's in Parties, and also the formulation of this one is also really good. So I'm very happy about this palette. I can see myself wearing this one. As you can see, again, I'm wearing the very neutral brownish dusty bob shade. Like, this one's like a red berry shade. Just to be careful with the very darker matte berry shades, they're going to stain your eyes. My fingers, you can see I got staining on my fingers, so just be careful with the very red shade. So overall, I'm very impressed. Definitely this, I can wear this one every day because not too very, you know, not too dramatic, not too smoky, which I like. So I'm very impressed with this Natasha Denona palette. Let me know what you guys think about this palette from Natasha Denona, or guys what you think about the color story, because some people were a little bit disappointed. They wanted something green and grungy, but I really like this one way better. I'm not into green shades. I just recently bought the Huda Beauty Wild Exceptions Python. That green palette is enough for me. So I'm very happy that she came up with something like this, that more like wearable, because I'm a boring person. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye.